Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special mango curd recipe. It's a very special South Indian recipe. We use ripe mangoes for this delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 5 to 6 ripe mangoes. Add 3 center slit green chillies. Add some curry leaves. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Then add 2 cup or 500 ml of water. Switch on the flame and heat it. When it starts boiling, close the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 garlic cloves, 3 shallots. Also add half cup of water. Grind it nicely. We don't need fine paste form, just grind it like this. Now we can add the grinded paste into the pan. Mix it and combine all nicely. Wait until it starts boiling again. Boil for 2 minutes. Now we can add curd to it. Switch off the flame, then add 3/4 cup of curd. Also add 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix all well together. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it's buttered. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Keep it to low flame. Then add 3 red chilies cut into pieces, 5 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Stir well and fry until shallots change to light golden color. Then switch off the flame. Now add this to the recipe. Wait for 4 to 5 minutes and mix it well. Our tasty mango curd recipe is ready, usually served along with rice. We just need 30 minutes to prepare this delicious mango recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.